Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. In this video we are going to fix media creation tool error code 0x80072f8f-0x20000. So if you have the same problem, watch the video till the end. This issue might be caused by the several things like the security software and the computer program running in the background or error on the hard drive. First open your C drive and go to the Windows section. Open software distribution. Now open downloads. Select all the files by pressing Ctrl+A button simultaneous and delete all the files in that folders. Now press Windows+R key on the keyboard and go to the command prompt as admin. Type the command wuauclt.exe /update now and press enter. After doing this, check the error. If the error persists, then go to the Microsoft official website and follow the instructions. I hope this video is useful for you and help to fix the media creation tool. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.